PyCharm IDE setup for Python programming language installation on Windows 11, Windows 10. Google search box lo enter PyCharm download. Enter key press jetbrains.com PyCharm download. First link click. Window close. JetBrains official web page complete display. PyCharm supporting OS Windows, Mac OS, Linux users also download this application. PyCharm the only Python IDE section lo download button. Right side .exe Windows default detect and display. Right side down arrow click. ARM64 users second one option select. Default first one exe Windows select. Window close. Download section lo PyCharm iPhone latest version 2026.1.exe file downloading process start. File size 867 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo PyCharm IDE exe executable file display. Select mouse double click. PyCharm py.exe window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to PyCharm setup window lo first button next click. Choose installation location. PyCharm IDE application related files destination folder default installation path display in box local disk C program files newly created folder JetBrains subfolder PyCharm space required 3.3 GB. In case change this installation location browse button click. Present unnecessary default set second button next click. Installation options window lo create desktop shortcut. Easy access purpose PyCharm shortcut necessary option left side box tick mark set. Second one update content menu necessary left side box tick mark set. Create associations PyCharm IDE internal tools all options tick mark set. .json next update path variable auto creation in system environment variable section add bin folder in the path option left side box tick mark set bottom side second button next click. Choose start menu folder default name JetBrains second button install click. Installing please wait while PyCharm is being installed. PyCharm IDE application related files installation and extracting process start. Check the files and verify show details button click. Extracting files DLL files and executable files display in box. Wait and here 0 to 100% process completing. Completing PyCharm setup. Desktop shortcut PyCharm IDE display. Present application run middle section lo run PyCharm option left side box tick mark set second button finish click. PyCharm latest version 2026.1 JetBrains IDE's application run. Data sharing window lo first button click. Window security section lo first button yellow click. Import settings section lo second option skip import click. Interface window maximize. Configuring a Python interpreter related plugins and packages loading process start. Project related virtual environment folder left side expand icon click libraries and plugins. Right side Welcome to PyCharm supporting tools. New project script, direct any Python related project, new project create first one icon, first one option select. In case Jupyter notebook related project, second one, first one option select, mouse right click, new option select. Subpanel first one Python file option select. Enter the file name anyone script related extension .py. First one option Python file select created file left side project window charitech.py display. Enter Python related simple script. Left side top section lo main menu icon click. Save all options select. Top section lo green color run icon click. Bottom side output window lo created file charitech display execute output charitech info. Top section lo main menu icon right click. First one new project option select. Created project save location display. Create button click. Creating another one new project.